Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt confident one day and completely unsure of yourself the next? Like one good moment made you feel unstoppable, but one mistake made you question everything. That kind of confidence feels good, but it doesn't last. And honestly, it's exhausting to live that way. Because the moment something goes wrong, your confidence disappears. That's because most people build confidence the wrong way. They think confidence comes from success, from praise, from approval, from finally feeling ready. But when those things disappear, so does the confidence, because that confidence was borrowed. It depended on the outside world. Real confidence doesn't work like that. Real confidence stays, even on bad days. Here's the truth most people never hear. Confidence is not a feeling. Confidence is evidence. It's the proof you collect when you keep promises to yourself. Not big promises, not dramatic life changes. Small ones. Let me tell you a short story. There was someone who hated mornings. Every alarm felt like a fight he didn't want to win. Every day he said the same thing. Tomorrow I'll start. Tomorrow became next week. Next week became next month. And slowly something dangerous happened. He stopped trusting himself. Not because he failed once, but because he kept breaking small promises. He didn't notice it at first, but every broken promise sent a message: you can't rely on yourself. One day, something changed. Not motivation, not inspiration, just honesty. He stopped trying to fix his whole life. Instead, he made one small decision. When the alarm rang, he stood up. That was it. He didn't feel confident. He didn't feel powerful. He didn't feel ready. He just moved. He made his bed, not perfectly, just enough. And something strange happened. Nothing outside changed, but inside something shifted. For the first time in a long time, he did what he said he would do. That moment didn't make him confident. It made him trustworthy to himself. And that's where real confidence begins. Confidence grows when you show up even when no one is watching, when you act even when you don't feel ready, when you keep going even when it feels boring. Every small action is a brick. One workout, one honest conversation, one moment where you don't quit. No applause, no validation, just quiet progress. Over time, those bricks stack up, and one day you realize something. You don't need motivation anymore. You don't need permission. You don't even need confidence, because you trust yourself, and that trust is stronger than any feeling. This is why some people seem unshakable, not because life is easier for them, but because they've proven over and over that they don't abandon themselves. So if you feel insecure right now, if you doubt yourself, if confidence feels far away, that doesn't mean you're broken. It just means you haven't started collecting evidence yet. Start small today. Keep one promise, something simple, something uncomfortable, and then do it again tomorrow. Confidence isn't built in your head. It's built through action. And once it's built, it lasts.